Today we're going to learn an example code for linear regression using the NumPy and the scikit-learn libraries. Firstly, we import the required libraries, NumPy for generating random data and manipulating arrays, and scikit-learn for implementing linear regression. Now we generate a random data for x and y coordinates of the 15 points, which we are considering 15 points in a 2D graph. In this example, we assumed a linear relationship between x and y with a slope of 2 and some random noise added to the data. Now we reshape the x and y arrays to fit the expected input format of the linear regression model. The reshape coordinates -1, 1 method converts the 1D arrays into column vectors with an unknown number of rows, which is inferred from the length of the original arrays. Now we create a linear regression object and fit it into to the data using the fit method. This trains the model on the given input data and calculate the optimal value for the slope and intercept of the linear regression line. Now we print the coefficients of the linear regression line using the coefficient attribute of the model. This gives us the slope of the line, which should be close to 2 in this example. Now we predict the values of the three new x values 1, 5, and 8 using the predicted method of the model. This gives us the expected values on the linear regression line on these new x values. You have to note that the exact results of the linear regression may vary due to random nature of the generated data. In practice, you would typically use real-world data rather than the random data. So you see the output. The coefficients of the linear regression line are printed, which should be close to 2 in this example. The predicted values of the three new x values, 1, 5, and 8, are also printed.